In this video, I am going to do a review of the A Beautiful Life binder in the color Ebony Black. This binder is from the collaboration between Franklin Planner and Teresa Collins. I'm going to talk about the look, the feel, the features, and the weight of this binder. Now, those of you that follow me may know that I already have this binder in the champagne color, and I absolutely love this binder. The color is gorgeous. The reason why I decided to purchase this binder in the color Ebony Black is because I am so grateful, but I was invited to be a member of an auxiliary board of directors at a federal credit union in my area, and I wanted to take my planner with me. But when I looked at my collection, all of my binders were too loud. I wanted to make a conservative impression, and I didn't want to go in the meeting with a champagne colored binder. I wanted a black one. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to talk more about the black binder because I do have another black binder in my collection, and I'm going to talk about why I decided not to bring that one. The Teresa Collins binder is the lightest binder that I have came across in the classic size, period. It is lightweight, so if you have to lighten your load, I really recommend the Teresa Collins binders. So here's the binder. This is the front. And you know what? If you didn't know any better, this is a simulated leather binder, but it looks like leather to me. It is so soft. Look at that texture. I mean, it could almost pass as a leather binder. So here I'm showing you the stitching up close. And as you can see, this binder has gold tone accents. Here's the snap up close. There's the Teresa Collins star there on the snap closure. And this is the back. But a very nice texture, and it feels very, very soft. And this is the spine. Now, as you open this binder, the first thing that you'll notice is all of the organization you get. Look at the curved lines of the pockets and of the document holders there. I mean, it's absolutely stunning the way this binder was designed. It's very different. I think it is a nice twist compared to other binders that are available out there. And also you'll notice that there are two pin loops, one on the front flap, one on the back flap. And the pin loops have elastic on the back so that it can accommodate both larger and smaller ink pens. Also, you have a document holder pocket here that goes all the way to the seam of the binder, so you can stick receipts there and other slips of paper that you may get. You can just easily slip it in there. Something that you want to keep more secure, you might want to put it in the zip pocket. The zipper slides easily. I always like to check my zippers because that is a feature of quality with any item, is that the zipper will slide easily. You have two document holder pockets here, one there and one there, which is very nice because if you want to slip pieces of paper in your binder and you want to keep the sections separate, you can do so. Notice the card slots, how the card slots are curved, and then there's a see-through card slot there. You get 4 card slots, and then you get an additional card slot with a see-through window. On the back cover, you get 2 pockets for putting a notepad in, or you can put some stickers back here, or other documents, whatever you like you can put in here. But the pockets go all the way down to the bottom of the binder, and as you can see embossed there on the back cover, it says Franklin Planner and Teresa Collins. Now let's talk about these rings. These rings are gold tone and they are stunning against this black binder. The rings close tightly and these rings are 1.25 inches. Typically with 1.25 inches, I have the planner, which is a day on 2 pages. That means for each day I have 2 planner pages. And I can normally get comfortably in a ring binder this size 3 months of day on 2 pages, along with the monthly tabs and other planner inserts like the starter pack. Now, as you can see, this binder comes with clear page lifters, and embossed on the page lifters, it says Franklin Planner and Teresa Collins. Now, page lifters are great because they help protect your planner pages from getting frayed for the ones that are near the cover. So these are great ways to protect your planner pages. Now, what is different about this binder is that in most of the Franklin Planner binders that I have used, the page lifters are always black. And here I've taken the paper packaging off of these binders, and look how pretty that is. Most of the time, the page lifters are black in Franklin Planner binders, but these are clear, which is certainly a nice touch. And also for those of you who like to decorate your planner, or you want some beautiful tab dividers to shine through, the clear planner page lifters will not take away from your planner decorations. This planner weighs 15 ounces, which is very light for a classic planner, which is why I wanted this planner in black. If you need to carry light, if you need to travel light, this will be a great binder if you have the classic size planner and you want to lighten your load, because it is so lightweight. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some planner pages that I have in here just so you can get an idea on how your planner pages will look in this binder. Now, these are Teresa Collins planner inserts. These are her project planning pages. They're white pages with a faded pink at the top, so you can see how nice that looked with the binder. And you know, black will pretty much go with any planner pages anyway. Now, this is Franklin Planner's new planner for 2021, and I am so excited about it. It's the planner I'm using for 2021. This is called the Carrera Planner, and it is a day on 2 pages, and with its gray tones, it certainly matches this ebony binder. And next, finally, I am going to put in the original daily planner so you can see how this planner looks in this binder. Now, the original daily planner has green tones to it, and I absolutely love this planner. And look how nice that looks in the ebony binder as well. I also own another binder in black. I own this Tyler leather zip binder in black, and it's absolutely beautiful. So when I was going to the board of directors meeting, I thought about the environment, and at the time I hadn't owned this ebony Teresa Collins binder, but I had to think about, well, I'm going to a conservative environment because board of directors are concerned with saving money and making money, and I didn't want to walk in with a flashy binder. I decided not to take my tote bag. I decided to take my Anna binder in the sailor blue. I was so happy that I decided to get the Anna in the sailor blue because it has a smaller footprint than the Tyler. That was the binder I went to be in a conservative meeting, and I actually got a compliment on the Anna binder in the meeting, so someone did notice it. As you can see here, I'm comparing the Teresa Collins binder to the Tyler binder that I have, and if you notice, the footprint is smaller, and I wanted to get this binder by Teresa Collins because it's so light and it has a smaller footprint. For those times when it's time to be conservative, everyone has situations where they are sometimes in a conservative environment, and it's not the time for flashy planner binders. So I feel like almost everyone should, when they can, try to add a black binder to their collection if they don't have one already, for those type of situations where it calls for being more conservative. Please let me know in the comments if you own a black binder or not. I love it when you guys leave comments because I just love talking to you guys about planner things. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like this video. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.